Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be having a pretty basic video for you guys. Everything is exactly where it was before, only because yesterday when I got done with the video, I literally just left everything in place. So today we're gonna go ahead and take off all 4 wheels off my IS300, the XXRs, because I am going to be selling them today. Didn't think I was gonna sell them. I don't even think I mentioned anything to you guys about selling these wheels. I don't even think I was thinking about it. But anyway, someone that saw my video had Snapchatted me and asked me, since I got new wheels, if I was selling my older wheels. And well, for cash, I'll let anything go, to be honest. As long as I'm getting a reasonable amount of cash, I'm down. He's gonna go ahead and pick these up today. So what I'm gonna have to do is put up 2 blocks. I don't know if you guys remember from the last video, I had to put these blocks on for me to actually be able to jack up my car, but I only have 2 of those blocks, so I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 more. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get that wood, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the fine Italian wood I will be using for these wheel risers or whatever you want to call them. Anyway, I'm gonna use this cutter as well. And you can never forget your safety goggles. But anyway, now that we got safety goggles on, let's get this started. Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw that, but the freaking wood was being a butt. And yeah, I cut this small. It's gonna work, but it was being a butt. And the reason I say that is, as you can see, it went through here, but it started wobbling too much. I'm guessing because there's a crack right there. I should have probably started on this side. But it started wobbling, so then that thing started wobbling. So it didn't even let me cut. So I just went ahead and flipped it over and just sliced off a chunk. Like I said, it should be enough. So we'll go ahead and jack it up anyway.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast out with the game.
Okay, well the other side was actually really easy. As you guys saw, I did it pretty quick. But this side, I thought it would be as easy. But remembered I have a flat back there. So even after putting in the wood on under the tires, still wasn't enough, just because, like I said, that tire didn't have air. But now that we have air in it, the jack fits just fine. All the way in, which is crazy. That never happens. Usually it just goes into like that, and then it's like perfect on the frame. I don't know why. Oh, the other side's jacked up too, I forgot. But yeah, let's go ahead and take off these wheels now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have the wheels off on this side as well now. So they're completely all off now. So now because of that, now that it's all jacked up, I'm gonna go ahead and try to reinstall this back bumper. I'm not gonna record it or anything, just because it's kind of tight back there right now and I can't move the car, obviously. So I'm not gonna record it because I won't be able to get a good angle from it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it and show you guys what it looks like after. Yo, what's up guys? So it's the next morning. I stopped filming last night because it got pretty late. I told you guys I'll get back to you once I put my rear bumper on. As you can see, it's already fully installed. There is a little bit of a gap right here, but that's because I had to redo this whole bumper. So there is a little bit of a fitment issue, but it's not anything crazy. The rest of it looks amazing, like I said. I've only seen my rear bumper wrapped once before, and I did it myself. Came out okay, but since I was gonna go get my front bumper done, I was like, might as well have a professional do it. So I had my rear and my front done by a professional, and then me and my cousin did the rest of the car, which my cousin is also a professional. So I was a little bit lucky to get help from them. But like I said, the bumper's on, no wheels on yet. And that's only because I haven't gotten my tires yet. Let me go inside and set you guys up and tell you guys why I don't have them yet. Alright, so the reason I don't have my wheels on is because I haven't received my tires yet. And the reason I haven't received my tires yet is because since I spent a lot of money on my wheels, I went the cheap route and just bought some cheap tires, some Lexus. Pretty sure most of you guys know what they are. They're pretty decent tires, honestly. They are cheaper. So because of that, it came with free shipping. I would have paid for fast shipping, but they didn't offer that. So they only had regular standard shipping. And I ordered them last Friday, and they won't be getting here until next Monday. That's literally 1.5 weeks of waiting. And that's why I've been taking forever to install my wheels. But like I said, once I put the wheels on, that's literally all I need. I already have my back bumper on, my front bumper on. I still need to install my front splitter, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. The car is already basically done, like I said. Just need those wheels on ASAP. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. Hopefully by the time I come out, my package will arrive. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got. Nothing crazy, but just a cool accessory for us rice boys. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys afterwards. Alright guys, so got a notification. As you guys can see, it says your item has been delivered. So shout out to eBay. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up at the mailbox. finally received the package. I don't know how long ago. All right, so as you guys can see, let me go ahead and open it for you guys real quick because you guys have no idea what it even is. Okay, so the camera died. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my iPhone for the rest of this video. Let's go ahead and open this. Like I said, need a knife, hold on. Okay, so I found some scissors. Go ahead and open it real quick. Oh man, I almost cut through the whole thing. I don't know. Okay, so this is the little rice thing I told you guys I got. These little ones. I'm sure you guys have seen this many times before. I have one in there. I don't know if I told you guys before. That's a bamboo one. And the strap it has is made out of like some expensive material as well. So I didn't want to hang that one off the back. I do like that JDM look. So I was like, you know what? If I'm going to hang something off the back, let me just buy a little cheap one from eBay. It was only like $13. So we're going to go ahead and hang it from the back. Show you guys where I'm going to place it. And then we're going to go ahead and install it. Okay, so as usual, I got this perfectly unbroken thing and broke it. Just unscrew the screws and went ahead and put in one of my own screws. The reason is being because I don't even need that. That's really for decoration. It doesn't even hold this up. This is like glued together or something. And that's not even going to be showing. And the reason is because with this bumper, I'm having a little issue just because, as you can see, I don't know if you guys know, but IS300 bumpers don't really stick out this far as mine does. So the little hook where this usually is supposed to go is like midway through the bumper. And either way, I didn't want to place it there. This was still my plan to do anyway. I wanted to drill a hole in the diffuser. I would do it on the bumper, but the bumper would have to be fully unwrapped and done all over again. That would just cost a lot more than for me to just bundle this up myself and then paint it just because it's black. So I'm gonna go ahead, probably drill a hole either on the top up here or the bottom down here because it has a little lip down here that goes all the way to here. Either drill a hole there or up here. And I kind of just want it to just hang off of here. Just kind of nothing too crazy just because I am already really low due to having a diffuser. But I still want this to be seen, so I really have to stick it out pretty far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and show you guys how it turns out. Okay, and after some slight modifications, I got it just to the height that I wanted it. Obviously not now, but I know how low my car is, so I know that's about where I want it. So now it's hanging. I went ahead and covered that up with electrical tape, and I just cut off the edges. For now, I'm gonna have to go ahead and go to Lowe's and then just get a little rubber cap to put on that little screw just so it doesn't scratch it. If it does, I really don't care. But I went ahead and did that. I did have to go ahead and add a bracket to the car as well. I'm really not gonna show you guys that because it's pretty ghetto, so you guys can just go ahead and enjoy the view from out here when I'm driving. So yeah, I can't wait till I put this thing on the floor, and I hope this thing maybe touches. If not, it'll probably be really, really close, but I'm sure it's gonna touch the floor. We'll see once we get the wheels put on this week. So there wasn't really much going on in this video. Finished putting on my rear bumper. Can't wait to show you guys the whole thing just because I don't have enough room to actually show you guys the whole rear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait till next week to show you guys that. But I also hope you guys enjoyed that I went ahead and just added that little part with you guys. I know there wasn't really much for me to do this video, but I hope you guys like it. So what's up, you guys? Yesterday I didn't go ahead and finish the video. I did a little outro for it. It was a little wonky. Didn't really want to finish it off that way, just only because there was not that much going on this video. So I just went ahead and did a little something for you guys, just a little surprise, something I was gonna do eventually. Wasn't gonna use these, but since I didn't have really much to upload yesterday, I went ahead and did this for you guys real quick right now. Go ahead and show you guys this and finish off the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for not having an entertaining video for you guys this week, but I promise you guys for the next video, this car for sure will be on all four. Have my tires coming in a little early. Like I told you guys earlier, the tires were supposed to get here next Monday, but apparently they're gonna get here this Thursday. So you'll go ahead and see those wheels finally mounted on this car. Right now I only have this side skirt on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Like I said, I wasn't really planning on putting these on, only because these are actually eBay side skirts. They don't really sell side splitters for this car, so I went ahead and just bought these just because I wanted to see kind of what style I wanted. I might go ahead and just get a flat side splitter for this car and add some custom ABS plastic to the corners up here on each side, because they sell some pretty crazy stuff on Instagram for cars nowadays, some custom stuff. So I might go ahead and do that. But for now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that video off for you guys there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for not being crazy entertaining. Wanted to drop something for you guys. Didn't just want to upload 2 videos and just stop real quick. I wanted to upload this, and then next video for sure you guys will see this car finally on the ground.